Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Swapna here. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I thought of doing this easy string pull art using a fun and interesting technique. I've used Pebeo Fantasy range of paints. So I'm planning to paint on these small canvases. And I'll be using these 4 shades. As you can see, I've mixed all the paints really well, so that the solvent is really mixed with the pigments. It's easier to use toothpick or skewer rather using a brush. Now I'm spreading the black paint over each of these canvases. To get a good consistency, I'm mixing the paint with a lightning medium. I'm spreading the paint over the canvas as a base layer. And meanwhile, I'll dip the thread on this bottle, and from there directly, without overloading the paint, I'll take out the thread and will place it over this wet surface and slowly drag the thread downwards. This Pebeo Fantasy range of paints has a self-manipulating character on its own, so that will help us to create beautiful patterns on the canvas. The top and the base layer of paints will react and will create beautiful patterns. Here I tried to use yet another thread, but I was not happy with the result, even though I tried to keep it in position using the skewer. For me, this was a personal favorite, and I really like the way the emerald shade reacted with black. Now I thought of reworking this pattern using the same thread that I used for the other two, and it came out really nicely. So these are the 3 different patterns that we created using the string pull art, and this is really interesting way to create different patterns. Now I am painting the borders using black acrylic paint. You can use the same technique to create larger artworks. I'm sure this will make a really good floral patterns in your abstract artworks. So hope you all will try this out using various shades of Pebeo Fantasy range of paints. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you are new here, please consider joining the small creative family by pressing that subscribe button. And also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications once I upload new interesting and unique arts and crafts videos. Thank you so much for watching.